Hello dear fans. What is genre? In the general case, a genre is a historically fixed and culturally inherited specific set of forms, recognizable semantic motives, and a way of social existence. The concept of genre is most often used in relation to works of various arts, but recently this term has also been used in relation to other cultural, in a broad sense, phenomena. Instructions. Step 1. A genre is a specific form of the existence of a particular phenomenon. Thus, the form of a sonnet is specific in terms of the number of lines, meter, and method of rhyming. Waltz form by meter, tempo, and sequence of various episodes. Patent application form by sequence of required sections, terminology, and combination of text and visual representations. The form of a scientific article is determined by the sequence of research stages characteristic of the methodology of a given scientific discipline. Step 2. The form of the phenomenon in the genre is tightly welded with recognizable semantic motives. Thus, the sonnet and waltz are associated mainly with lyrical and lyric-dramatic experiences, often in a romantic version. For a patent application, the semantic motive is the systemic difference of the object of the application from similar devices or methods. For a scientific article, the semantic motive is heuristic novelty, that is, new knowledge. Step 3. The formal and semantic specificity of a genre is always realized in certain socio-cultural circumstances that are characteristic of this particular genre. So, a waltz is danced by a heterosexual couple. The waltz is accompanied by a specific ritual of inviting and leaving the dance. Certain requirements are imposed on dancers' clothes and shoes. Depending on the social specifics of the circumstances, waltz on a dance floor, in a park, and waltz in an aristocratic assembly are very different from each other. A scientific article is implemented in special scientific journals, and the publication process is a complexly organized interaction of the author, editorial board, and reviewers. Step 4. It should be recalled that genre is a historical concept. The content of this concept has changed. The application of genre definitions to certain cultural phenomena also changed. So, the waltz was at first a dance of commoners, had a very simple form and a distinct sexual connotation. Later, the waltz became an aristocratic salon dance, very complex in form. Even later, the waltz became a completely non-danceable solo piano piece. Thanks for watching.